Children, there was some problem in the last video, so I'm resending this video again. I'll explain the last topic to you again, so please see to it carefully and understand it well. Change in the forms of water. How you can change one form of water to another. For example, if you heat the water on heating becomes water vapor. The steam or the water vapor comes out from the boiling water. Now, when you keep the water in the freezer, the water becomes ice on cooling. So, you can say you can change one form of water into another form by either heating or cooling it. On heating the water it becomes water vapor, and if you cool the water, it will become the ice. Now we are going to learn about the importance of water, how water is useful to us. Water is a very important natural resource as it is very important for the survival of all the living beings. All the living beings means the human beings, the animals and the plants, all of them require water. It is important for their survival. If there is no water, we will not be able to live. Water is used by human beings for drinking, for washing clothes and utensils, for cleaning purposes, for producing electricity, and for many other things by the human beings. Then animals also require water for drinking. Then plants also need water to grow. Then there are many aquatic plants and animals which live in water. For example, lotus and water lily, they live in water. They cannot live without water. Then there are crocodiles, animals like crocodiles, turtles, fish, they all need water to live because water is their home. So we can say water is a very important natural resource which is required by all the living beings to survive. Then we come to the how we can store the drinking water. Drinking water should be stored in clean utensils. It should be kept covered so that dust and dirt doesn't go inside. Then before drinking the water, you should clean it using a water filter or ROs. So, is it clear? Thank you, children.